Hello everyone, my name is Dion Durr from Pinky's Iron Doors, and we're here to showcase our Story single arch door today. All right guys, so we're on the Story 42 by 96 single arch door today, okay? So our doors measure, remember, outside to outside, 42 inches from outside to outside, and from all the way to the bottom to all the way to the top peak of the door is 96 inches. Obviously we have different size doors available in this, and also we do have this in a flat top, and we do have it in a full arch and a half arch, which is going to be a special order or actually a custom order request. So this is a really cool door. We've had this for about, I want to say 6 or 7 years. Had a lot of success with this guy. These are all solid pickets. That means this is a solid bar that's been heated and bent and hammered on the tips, welded together, put in to this opening. This has a kick plate, no design on kick plate. You can also, on a custom order, you can take this all the way down if needed, if you want to get more light out of it. Awesome door, a lot of scroll work. I mean, it speaks for itself. We've had this for a long time, and you know, it's awesome door. Let me flip this around and show you guys what the back side of this looks like. Okay, so we're on the back side of the Story arch. You know, I haven't really talked about mounting tabs. These are our mounting tabs that we use to actually hold the door in. These things are set back 1/2 inch. So you can actually, both these guys, you bolt it onto your framing, right? And then you run your drywall and you mud in this area, and you can place a molding if you like, or finish it with the drywall all the way up to the door. Super easy to install, by the way. You should probably watch some of our install videos and you'll see how easy it is. A lot of contractors think it's hard because it's an iron door and they've never done it, but remember, it's got 4 sides to it, and it stays pretty put unless if you're off by a lot on your studs. It will take shape with those lag bolts because those things can take on a lot of you can torque them down a lot. But that's an install video. We'll talk about that later. Let me show you guys how this glass opens up. Untwist the knobs, glass opens. This makes it easy to clean the glass, clean the scroll work in the back. Remember, all of our doors on a special order, you can add a screen. So there's a screen that you can add onto this. Also, on a special order, you can change the jamb size. So you can adjust how thick you want the jamb sizes. They're 6 inches standard, but you can adjust it if you want something special. Whatever we stock is all 6 inches, so that's pretty standard. This is an oil rub bronze door, and different colors are available on a special order. And this is the low E glass, which is the clear glass, but it has a little bit of reflection to block the UV rays coming in, so you don't have your flooring or your couch or your rugs changing color. Different glass types are definitely available also. It's whatever we stock, or if we don't have it in stock, you can always just do a special order and we'll make one specially for you. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next door. All right, hope you guys enjoyed our showcase today on our Story single arch door. If you have any questions, we have an info email address. It's info@pinkysirondoors.com. That's PINKYS irondoors.com for any questions you may have. Also, if you want to call us, it's 844-843-6677. Thank you for watching, guys. Appreciate it.